Hi everyone, this is Cindy at Lulu's Treasure Trove. I know that rain's loud, but I came outside because it started hailing. I don't know if you can see the ice. See those big pieces of ice down there on the ground? Wow. Look at that ice. See those chunks of ice down there? See all those chunks of ice? Man, it's really hailing. You know, there's one on, see, there's one right there that hit on the air conditioning unit. See it sitting there? I can't get out there in it. But yeah, it's not melting either. It's just sitting there on top of the ground. See, way out there too. See how far, see, I'm zooming out so you can see how far it is, but watch. See that piece laying right there? Pretty big piece. Looks like it may be trying to stop. Wow. But yeah, I heard that I heard those chunks of ice hitting, and looks like it stopped, but see that one right there just hit the top of that heater. No, it's still got some ice falling. Not very much, but a few pieces. Yep. Still got a few ice pieces falling. Yep, see, there goes another one. Just flipped onto there. Still got a few pieces down here on the ground, but no, it looks like it's trying to calm down. But yeah, boy, we sure had some hail coming. Sounds like it's trying to calm down though. I'm gonna stand here a few minutes. I'm gonna stand here a few minutes just to see what happens. There's a big piece still laying right there. You can see it. We got some cute dandelions popping up. Look at all the dandelions we have popping up out there. Usually my yard gets full of dandelions. I would walk out there and show you my Easter lilies if it wasn't raining. Maybe we'll walk out there and do that on another video. My husband made that right there. That's where our water faucet is, inside of that. I've got plans to do a video too, showing you all the things that my husband made out here on our homestead. When we first moved out here, this place wasn't nothing like we have it looking right now. Still got some ice laying there, but you can hear that the rain's calming down. Yeah, when we first moved down here, This place wasn't nothing like it is now. My husband and I have cleaned this whole place up since we've been here the last probably at least 15 years. And this whole thing was growed up when we first moved out here, but we cleaned the whole thing, and then my husband built our house by himself with his own hands. Of course, I helped, and my brother helped, and my 2 older sons, they helped. But my husband, if you were putting a percentage on it, I'd say my husband did 80%, with 20% help. And so anyway, whatever we have, including this shed, we actually built a cat house. That's what that is right there. We had an outside cat, and I don't know what happened to it. Maybe, I guess it ran off, or the neighbors got it, or who knows. But my husband built it a house because it liked getting up inside the thing, to be safe from the dogs that may be around. But we haven't had a cat for been a long time. Feels like we haven't had it. Well, we did have one cat that died last year, but it was an inside cat. As far as outside cats go, we haven't had outside cats for probably 6-7 years maybe. But my husband kept that little house out there next to the shed, and that's the shed he built. And he's been working out here. See right there where he was working out there all day yesterday, trying to make molds. He makes his own molds to make these rock pieces. And so I'm not sure what he's planning on building next. You may be able to see right there is our mailbox, and he built that. And I'll walk out there one day, to get closer to it. And then he also built, something to that we put our trash in. So anyway, as you can see, this hailstorm is passing us by really fast. Looks like it's just barely dripping water now, just mainly off the roof. So, well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you like, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'll be glad to have you as part of my YouTube family. And I hope you all have a great night, and hopefully we'll do some more chit chat later. Bye now.